If you're a Cardano ADA holder and you're preparing your taxes right now, this video is for you, and it is going to be short and to the point. It's going to present to you, I would say, a must-have tool in preparing your taxes, especially if you're staking your Cardano. And I just want to show you exactly what this looks like. We track the charts. This is a zoomed out multi-month chart. We track it. But part of this journey of tracking charts and price and accumulating and trading and whatever you're doing out there, part of that process is very simply where we are right now. We're in the month of April, and it is taxes. And we've already done videos on CoinLedger. It's a sponsor of this video, an awesome sponsor of this YouTube channel. It's just a must-have tool, in my opinion, if you're in crypto, because not only do you want to save time and stress, but we want to do things properly. And this allows for that. It helps us do that because there is so much data going on with crypto. We've evaluated how in CoinLedger, you can very simply just connect all of your exchanges, all of your accounts. It imports all of your trades and transactions in a matter of minutes. And you just basically have all of that data compiled into a report ready for taxes, just like that. You don't have to do anything manually. Now it's gone to the next level in terms of ADA staking, because we need to track our staking rewards because that's income, and we need to track that for taxes. So if we just look at what we've done over the last couple of years or so, you can see we've used things like Pool Tool, great tool. You can enter your address on Pool Tool and search, and we're going to enter our demo address for ADA right now, and we're going to search, and it'll give up it'll spit out the transactions, or basically the ADA rewards, as you're delegating your Cardano over whatever amount of time you are delegating. And it'll put that data there for you. But it doesn't integrate it into your tax report. It doesn't integrate it into all of the data and prepare it in a tax reporting type of way. CoinLedger has now added that ability. So if we go and we're in CoinLedger right now, you can see exchange account, Coinbase right here. We're going to add an account. And you can see here, we have blockchain, exchanges, wallets, and you can see all of them right here. But we're going to hit blockchain, and you can see Cardano just added. So we're going to click Cardano, and all you have to do is click connect, enter that wallet address, connect the wallet, and it's going to start importing your staking reward transactions and other transactions within your wallet. Now, what's epic about this process is just the fact that right now we're adding an account for Cardano, and it just did that in a matter of seconds. 22 transactions have been imported, but we're adding one account. If you have another address you need to add because you're delegating somewhere else, or you just have multiple delegated addresses going out, you can keep adding accounts, right? So we can have like as many wallets in here as we want, tracking, and it imports that data, and you can see staking income, withdrawal, staking income. And we go over to review, and this is kind of where you get a deep dive into all the transactions, right? So here's review, and you can see Coinbase is on here, Coinbase Pro, Uniswap transactions. We scroll down, and we can see all these ADA transactions that we just imported. You can click on a transaction, and you can just see, well, what's going on with that? That's a deposit. Here's a staking income, and you can see it's taxable, right? Taxable event. It tells you what that staking income, the time, the exact time, the date, all that good stuff. And then you have all this data now. It's ready to go for your taxes, and it's integrated not just for Cardano, but with all of your other transactions, right? So we're in the review section, and then you go to tax reports, and this is where it's all broken down, and rightfully so. We have a staking section under taxable income where those demo transactions are at right now, and you can click it, and you can just get a nice glimpse of those demo transactions, and that's it. It's all in your tax report. And then what's really cool I wanted to mention was just the fact that if when you're looking at this, you're kind of like, well, what now? Did I do this right? Is everything compiled correctly for my tax report, as opposed to just, downloading the CSV report and just running with it? Can I get some guidance here? At the top right of the screen, you'll see expert review. You can click that, and you can get matched with an expert with CoinLedger. They'll do kind of a review of your report, if you did it properly, what's going on with it. Or if you want to take it to the next level, you can actually click tax consultation. And back here is my CPA. This is Jordan. Jordan is the man. There's also Andrew back here. But just an amazing team that is right there at your disposal. They're experts in the crypto space, in the tax space, and they know what they're doing. So it's everything in one spot. And the thing is, everybody, I can't stress this enough. Taxes are important, right? They're just important. Not only to do, but in the long-term scheme of our plans. And this is how I really look at it. In my long-term goals, taxes are a very big piece of it. And we always need to keep that in mind and balance our approach. And we need to do these things properly and correctly so that we can have the right approach and so that we can just have long-term success. We can't ignore these things or just take shortcuts with these things. So when we have a tool like this, I think it's just the absolute best thing we can do is to latch onto that tool, utilize it, and integrate it into our long-term plans. So that's Cardano staking integrated into CoinLedger, an awesome addition. Everybody, please hit the link below. Get set up with CoinLedger right now. Check it out for yourself. Thank you again for CoinLedger for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.